I am a homemaker and now a home baker. Uh, After I did my consultation with Shivani and Charu, I had few realizations about myself and realized that क्या कमी थी जीवन में, हम क्या और कर सकते थे चूल्हे चौके के अलावा. So they made me realize this, and here I am making I'm a professional baker and making cakes for people around, spreading happiness. So thank you so much, Shivani and Charu, for once. And definitely, this course has helped everyone. I can sum up everybody's experiences here, take a point from all of us, what all of us have spoken here, and one thing I have realized that I have a better reason and understanding of why things were the way they were all these years. कोई रीजन नहीं था, कोई वजह नहीं थी कि जो चीजें थी तो वो ऐसी क्यों थी. तो now I have a realization कि why situations and conditions, the reactions, all through my childhood, my adulthood, things were like in a certain way, and how they could have been better. So, as we say, the past is past now, but I'm a better conscious person now. I have taken ownership, I have taken charge of my well being in the first place, and I have become a better, wiser person. I think about things. Uh, I WOT is one tool, and one is the funnel that we studied. So I tell to myself repeatedly that what kind of person I want to be, the thoughts that I need, that I have wanted all through the years, जो lacking थी मेरे personality में, I keep telling myself that these are the traits which were lacking in my personality, which I always wanted to have, or maybe which I pretended that I had, but I did not have actually. So that is the one approach which I tell myself repeatedly that I am a strong person. I am not going to get bullied by people. I'm going to be a better person, a better mother. And I have also become a little more selfish in terms of about my personal care, my dreams, my ambitions, my thoughts. I have started, cluttering out things जो important nahi thi, and I had made them important all through these years. So these are few things which I had definitely learned from the AQ program, and there's lots and lots to say. I don't know where to start from. And I'm also, sharpening my strengths, and and working on my weaknesses. This is also one thing which I have realized that strengths थी लेकिन पता ही नहीं था कि वो strengths हैं, क्योंकि कभी acknowledgement नहीं हुआ था. एक एक वे में लाइफ चलती जा रही थी एंड देयर वाज नो रियलाइजेशन कि कुछ है भी हमारे अंदर. तो स्ट्रेंथ्स का रियलाइजेशन किया है और वीकनेसेस को फाइन ट्यूनिंग करने की कोशिश करी जा रही है, अदर देन थिंकिंग अबाउट ओनली द वीकनेसेस. जो फ्लॉज थे उनको कंसिडर नहीं करके वो मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ. सो this has been like very overwhelming for me and too good. I mean, I am thankful to God. And while we were doing this course, I was also doing that gratitude practice. Uh, and you guys will not believe that every day the first thing I was thanking God was for the AQ program. That thank you that I met Shivani and Charu and I joined this course, because as Shivani knows, that a part of my brain hasn't been used for all these years, क्योंकि कभी जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी इस्तेमाल करने की. So I am grateful that it came, and I initially, everybody of that मेरे को बहुत challenging लग रहा था कि how will I do it, because that it required commitment. And I'm a commitment phobic person कि time कैसे निकालूंगी, how will I prioritize things. So but I learned it. Today also, Sunday evening, I'm sitting with all of you, not in the kitchen. So that ways, thank you so much, all of you, for making me a part of this journey. And I had just not thought that I would do something like this at this point of my life and realize my dreams, move forward, and not be scared of situations and circumstances.